Hey everybody, Kismet here, back with another unboxing. We got something awesome from Elgato, the multi-mount system. I was looking for a way to mount a camera vertically to record some of these unboxings, like this one. So I decided to add the Elgato multi-mount system to my studio. I use many Elgato products and the quality level of their products are just awesome. I'm going to unbox the bulk of the Elgato multi-mount system, excluding the heavy base, which you can get and put on the floor or on your table. Me, I prefer the ones that attach to the side of your table, giving you more desk space. Now this actually is a non-sponsor video, even though Elgato has sponsored me in the past, which I greatly appreciate. Now I still have many unboxings to do, like some paper straws from the company Aardvark, who make them for some of the largest companies. We've also still got to unbox our joypad, which is an awesome replacement for the Nintendo Switch because I was having a bunch of controller drift, and I think that these are actually better than the originals. This one's the pink and green. Also, the awesome people over at Amazon invited me to check out Luna, so I bought the controller and the mount where you can put your controller and your cell phone together to play games over the cloud. Be watching for those videos to roll out as well. Now remember, everything that you see in this video can be found in the link down below in the description. And while you're down there, hit that like button. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at how to add a camera, a microphone, some lights, VR sensors, or a combination of all of those. Now what I ordered up was the Master Mount L, the phone grip, the solid arm, and the flex arm S and L. Now I've been trying to buy them for a while and they were sold out. They've been selling like hotcakes. I had to contact Elgato directly and ask them when they'd be back in stock. I suggest you snag yours up quick before they sell out again. Now let's move this other stuff out of the way and let's focus on the Master Mount L. Now here we got the Master Mount L Quick Start Guide. I love Elgato's guides. They get you right into it, you get set up, and you get right to work. Keep it tidy. I like that. These are what I call cord wranglers. Here's the Master Mount itself. Now I like these ones that connect to your desk. And again, there's also a heavy base that you can use. On the top, we have some connectors that we can adjust, as well as add attachments to the end. We can remove this connector at the end and use it on our other arms. We can loosen the poles and extend them out wherever we want. This is the large one, so it extends way, way out. And there's our Master Mount L. This will be the central pole that all the rest of them connect to. Next, let's take a look at the solid arm. The solid arm is a crossbeam for, say, holding a camera or a microphone. This quick start guide tells me how to mount it from the side. The solid arm has a pole mount, so it can grip the center of our Master Mount L. Next, let's take a look at the phone grip. Now, I typically record my unboxing videos with my phone, and I redo all my audio with my professional microphone. Usually your phone's camera with some good lighting turns out pretty well. I highly recommend getting some of Elgato's lighting to go along with your multi-mount system. We can set the phone grip up at the end of our solid mount if we want. I'm going to be using it with one of my flex arms later. Another piece of the puzzle ready to go. Let's check out the flex arm S next. The flex arms are one of the toughest things I was having trouble finding as they sell out quick. Eventually I was able to get both the S and the L to work with different configurations. Again, thanks to my buddies over at Elgato for the heads up. I'm going to attach my flex arm S to the Master Mount L at the top and it goes out like a boom arm. The arms have a cool connection system where you loosen the connector, you slide the rounded part inside, adjust the angle, tighten it down, and you're good. What a genius idea. Now for the flex arm L. Now this one was the hardest one to find. This one has multiple pieces so you can really articulate the arm in a bunch of different positions. Now you don't have to buy all of the pieces that I bought, just get the one you need and add more later on. I ordered the bulk of them so I can try it out in different configurations. So let's take a look at it. Just like the flex arm S, it works with an interchangeable system of ball mounts. You loosen it, connect it together, and control the position you want by angling it, then tightening it down. So easy! As you can see, the L mount is much larger than the flex arm S. Now it's time to set it up. I cleared off a little section of my desk right here, which would be perfect for unboxing. Let's loosen the table mount and put it on the back of the edge of the desk. Then let's go underneath and take a look. Notice that my cables have been neatly managed with my favorite cord wranglers, the Velcro wraps. Let's tighten it down. And as you can see, I have multiple desk mounts for my Elgato key lights as well. Saves you tons of desk space. And there we go, Master Mount L installed. And now we can slide the poles up and down however we want. Now the part at the top is interchangeable. You can loosen it up, take it out, and put it on one of your flex arms. I'm going to put it on my flex arm L, and then attach the phone grip to it. Let's go ahead and install the solid mount. Then we'll go ahead and add the flex arm L mount to the top of our master mount L. Then we'll articulate the arm how we need it. Then let's go ahead and add the phone grip. Now the phone grip is spring-loaded, so it'll hold your phone very securely. Though I have to admit I was a bit nervous as I just got my iPhone 12 and have yet to put a case on it. Well, let's see how it goes by switching over to some vertical shots through the camera. Oh, beautiful. I love the top-down view of unboxings, and I've been wanting to expand my studio to replace my tripod, which is very cumbersome to use. Works like a dream. Now, maybe you're trying to capture some game footage? This is a game called Goddess where I can actually use my Apple Pencil to sculpt the land. Very addicting, and using the pencil keeps you from getting finger burn. Also, not only can people see my gameplay, but they can also watch me physically adjust the land. Or maybe you're an artist, like me. Not only is it a great way to show off your amazing skills, but show people the actual swipes of your hand as you're letting your art unfold. Plus, you can record it for later, and maybe even do a fast motion version for your social media. As you can see, my wife, daughters, and I have been creating some fun art on my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. For those who are going to ask me what it is in the comments later. Man, I love my new Elgato multi-mount system with the Master L, the solid arm, the phone grip, and the flex arms S and L. This is going to make my unboxings and my other videos shine. I suggest you go pick yours up today before they sell out again at elgato.com and upgrade your studio. That's it for this video. Consider becoming a Patreon and supporting future videos just like this one. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you're going to be adding to your studio next. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everybody, Kismet here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right in the center of the screen. Also check me out live on twitch.tv/Kismet. I'll see you all next time.